Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, today our topic is about finite automata. This topic is related to the week number 7. Okay, so what are the contents of this lecture, this chapter? So the contents are finite automata. We will discuss finite automata in this chapter, rules for finite automata, conversion of regular expression to finite automata, transition diagram and transition table. So all these topics will be covered in this lecture, inshallah. Okay, so first of all, let me start. What is finite automata? A finite automata is a simple idealized machine used to recognize pattern within input taken from some character set or alphabet C. The job of in finite FA is to accept or reject an input depending on whether the pattern defined by the finite automata occurs in the input or not. What does it mean? It means that finite automata, this is idealized machine. What does it mean by idealized machine? Idealized means abstract machine. Abstract machine means that these machine doesn't have any physical existence. So here we are representing the flow of any program, the flow of any machine which perform a task automatically. So we are representing the working, the flow of those machines by using different diagrams. So these diagrams are not the physical machine. These are not the real machines. These are the abstract machines. Yeah, these are just the flow of the physical machines. It represents the flow of the physical machine. If I get physical machine flow represent making a zaire making a ideal as the real machine needs the सही is the real machine. शायद शुमा स्टेट डायग्राम रखांदा बाशी द सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियरिंग सही अमु स्टेट डायग्राम आस्ते ये चंदीन स्टेट दारा सही से फॉर एग्जांपल स्टेट 1 स्टेट 2 स्टेट 3 स्टेट 4 अमी स्टेट में बाशा और अमी स्टेट for example the input is A, it moving from one state to another state and moving from this state to this, so the input will be B and it come back to this initial state. For example, input is C. So the finite automata is the state diagram. So here we will have states. For example, this is state, this is state, this is state, and we will represent the flow of the the flow of the real machine by using these idealized machine, by using these state diagrams. Okay, so this is just a idealized machine. This is an abstract machine. This is not a real machine. Okay, so this is just the diagrammatical representation of the flow of the real machine, the flow of the program, that how a program a software is working, okay, automatically. And one more thing, just like regular expression represent a language and theory of automata, descriptive definition of language, recursive definition of language, we discussed all these definition in previous lecture. So today we will discuss the language definition by using finite automata. Okay, got it? Next, what we have the different types of finite automata. So finite automata, we can say FA, we can say the diagrammatical representation of the diagrammatic. So here we have two types of finite automata. One is the finite automata with output types, finite automata without output. In this case, what will happen? So this will have input string, but there will be there will be output of those strings. It also represent the input and output, and it represents just only the input, and here the output will not be shown inside the machine, inside the diagram. Each is the output मौजूद में बाशा अगर मा याक लेटर input medan says output me bosha the diagram udai diagram cheese the diagram output na me bosha fakat input me bosha. So we will discuss it later, but just you should just keep in mind that this type is with output with output says inja output me bosha inja output na be bosha. It will be without output. It will have string input but no output. It will have string input as well as output of a string. It is further divided into two types, Moore machine and Mealy machine. So inshallah we will discuss these two topics in the coming lecture. I think this is in in week number 13. So we will discuss these two and week number 13 and 14. And in this lecture we will discuss about these two types. Okay, so here we will discuss about the non-deterministic finite automation, which is called NFA, and deterministic finite automation, says here automata. So these are the two types of finite automata without output. So let me start non-deterministic finite automata. Okay, NFA, a non-deterministic finite automata. What it stands for? NFA stands for non-deterministic finite automata. So here we have some rules defined for finite non-deterministic finite automata. So what are those rules? Look at this. So here we have rule for NFA. NFA is a finite set of state. So there will be a finite set of states and NFA. So there will be multiple sets state in NFA. These chandin states में बोशा. For example, state 0, state 1, state 2, state 3, state 4. In the chandin states में बोशा. सही है? State 2, 3, 4. So here we will have multiple states and finite non-deterministic finite automata. Diğer dom NFA has a set of symbols called the alphabet. For example, as its state by state yak input momentum. सही है? Input चीज़ for example A है. आज़मी जमा yak input momentum B. सही है? The dome rule चीज़ NFA have a set of symbols called the alphabet. In the A, these are the symbols. They will be represented by an alphabet. For example, here we have alphabet A and alphabet B. So both are the letters inside this alphabet. So it will NFA should have an alphabet with letters. So this is the letter which is input letter A, input letter B. Next one, NFA has transitions which represent the flow of input letter from one state to another. Transition is this arrow. So this is the transition, just like this. Look at this. This is the transition. Transition. What is the order of transition? It will represent the input flow from one state to another state. It's like inja A as Kudam state, Raft pa Kudam state. Inja as is not Shurushud, the input of A start from state 0 toward state 2. Input of B starts from state 0 toward state 1. So this is the transition. Transition represent the flow of letter from one state to another. Next one, NFA has one initial state from where any input is proceed. मकसद is the हर NFA केस the हर NFA by the initial state washer. For example, S0, S1, S2. हर NFA by the initial state by दस्ता washer की मकसद ये machine और जिंजा शुरू में वो start state की समझार में yak state. So there must be a circle, okay, and there must be an arrow toward the circle. So this represents the start state, yeah, we can say initial state. Okay, NFA has final state. Jak باید final state باشه. مثال از اینجا input شروع شد A از اینجا شروع شد، صحیح است. یک A input است، باز B input است. ما میگیم که B اینجا ماشین فینیش شد، صحیح است. مثال ما بگیم که final state است. The final state should be represented by a double circle, and inside double circle there must be a state name. Okay, so this is the final state. Final state means that it starts from S0 toward S2. So S1 is S0 is the initial state, and this is the final state. So it must have initial state and final state. Next, NFA has transition with empty string. Okay, NFA क्या असतं? transition द्वारा empty string transition. اینجا transition چی असतं? A द्वारा. صحیح است. مثال ما یک دیگر transition اینجا میاریم. یک دیگر state است. میگه که null string داره. NFA क्या असतं? این null string داره. بعد از چند type final automator میگه که باز null string نداره. صحیح است. خب در NFA چی است؟ در NFA null string موجود می باشه، صحیح است. So there must be a null string transition. There may be a null string transition in the NFA. Okay, next what we have, so here we have the graphical representation of all these states, okay, and the transition. Look at this graphical representation of NDFA. Yeah, we can say non-deterministic finite automation. Yeah, NFA. The vertices represents the states. Vertices, yeah, we can say a circle. Circle will represent the state. Next, the arcs labeled within input alphabet show the transition. یک arrow में बोशा, یک तिरक में बोशा, सही से अमी तिरक चीज़ ज़ाहिर में क्या ना transition ज़ाहिर में ये तिरक या یک arc में बोशा, सही से एक curve में बोशा या ये सीधा एक लाइन में बोशा, सही से तिरक ये transition में ज़ाहिर में क्या ना. The initial state is denoted by an empty single incoming arrow. इंजा एक state में बोशा वो empty transition arrow में बोशा. इंजा को दम input वगैरह ना है बोशा, फ़कत डायरेक्ट एक एरो में बोशा बच्ची में आया, ये बायक सर्कल में है, सही से. और स्टेट को दम स्टेट में बोशा, ये स्टेट इनिशियल स्टेट में बोशा. द फाइनल स्टेट इज इंडिकेटेड बाय डबल सर्कल. फाइनल स्टेट क्या है? ये डबल सर्कल में बोशा, सही से. वो दाखिली स्टेट नेम में बोशा. So this is the final state. Got it? So this was the graphical representation, and we will use these graphical representation in coming lectures for the definition of language by using non-deterministic finite automata. Examples of regular expression to NFA. In जमा regular expression चिकित्सम by NFA तब्दील में गिनम सही से regular expression ये lecture गुज़श्ता अस्त मौलाई तशरीह कदम सही से कि regular expression चियस्त वो मिसालों मौ तशरीह कदम सही से. So now we will convert those regular expressions to non-deterministic finite automata या NFA. For example, if we have a regular expression is equal to AB, what does it mean? It means A and B या A dot B. A और B जैसा ज़ार बास्ता. ये the finite automata चिकसम ज़ार में शायद चिकसम represent में किरण साइकिल जा. So here we will have a start state. This is the start state. You know about this in previous slide. I have explained this. A is the start state. It is an input A, small a. B is in another state. And it is an input B which moves towards C. What does it mean? It means that the input string starts from A toward C. Baksadi chesta E input E string asta. This is input string. This input string starts from A towards C. So this is the in state. So on in state, what will be collected? so the accepted string will be AB. Why AB? Look at this. So in case of ZERB, in case of in case of AND operator, yeah, AND operation, so the transition of the NFA will be straight line. Look at this. This is straight, and now this is straight. This state is straight to this state. This is straight to this state. Okay. So all of the inputs of the input letter of the AND operator should be on one line. Look at this. Inja yak khadas, the yak khadas. Wo inja chi accept mesha. So the accepted string will be AB. Why? This A will combine with this B. Look at this. It will combine with this B, and it will give you the resultant. It will combine with B, and it will give you the resultant string AB. In case of OR operator, look at this. If we have OR operator, look at this, A or B, we can also say A plus B. So this is OR operation. So how will we create the NFA for this? Okay, look at this. So here you will have a start state A, and it will move from A, the transition goes to B and will have input letter A, small a. Look at this, A or B. So what will happen on final state? या A accept mesha या B accept mesha. A accept mesha या B accept mesha. सही सर? इन चीज़ इन जास्त कि A mix accept mesha वो B mix और दूसरी एक जा accept. इन चीज़ या A accept mesha या B accept mesha. So this is for OR operation. You can also draw just like this by using a single final state. For example, this is state 0. You can also represent by using S. You can also represent by using Q0. You can also represent by putting A, B, C. You can also represent by putting 1, 2, 3, 4. It's up to you, no problem. So this is just a representation. So here this is initial state, okay, and this is the final state. This is the final. How we can recognize that this is the final state? Because here we have two circles. A in another state we will have, and here we will have in another state. It will move toward this one. Here we will have in another state, in another state it will accept a letter, it will accept a letter, and it will accept the final. Look at this. This is, for example, state 1, this is state 2, this is state 3, this is state 4, and this is state 5. Okay, so here we will have the empty string, here we will have the empty string, here we have A, here we have B, here we have empty string, here we have empty string. Awal peshtar moguftim ki the NFA empty string ya null string. This is the representation of null string epsilon, epsilon, epsilon. We can represent the null string by means of different symbols. Okay, for example, epsilon as the lambda as the amit sign lambda as the size. Yeah, we can also represent by using this sign. Okay, so these are different representation of null string. Look at this. From A, null will combine with, look at this, this is the transition. null with combine with A, so it will give you A, then A again combine with null, and at the final state it will give you A. सही है? Next, look at this. ये मुस्तकिम मेरा मकसद ये चीज था, null ज़रबे A ज़रबे null is equal to A. The final result will be A. Okay? ये दज़ार वास्ते चलो दज़ार वास्ते बई खातर की दयाक मुस्तकिम दयाक खातर सही है? और चीज इंजा और बी और बी बरे और बी मा दोम रॉ मौजूद कर दें सही आज इंजा शुरू शो next and then toward final state. So here null string zarb b zarb null string is equal to b. What does it mean? It means that null string b null string will be equal to b. So या हुई a accept में गिना या b accept में गिना सही है? पेशतर मा गफ्तम कि द NFA null string हम आस्ते null string transition हम आस्ते सही है? अगर शुमा इस्तिफादा मेकिनी हम सही है, अगर इस्तिफादा ना मेकिनी हम सही है. ये डायग्राम एक समम रस्म में शको is not means this is the initial state and this is the final state. For example, this is S1. Look at this. So here या A accept में शा या A accept में शा या B accept में शा. You can also remove the null string transitions. Look at this. At a time bayak वक्त ई machine की आस्ते या हो आजी पाथ लेटर एक्सेप्ट में गिना या आजी पाथ लेटर रा एक्सेप्ट में गिना या ए एक्सेप्ट में शा सही है? वो द दोम चीज था या बी एक्सेप्ट में शा हो अगर इक्सम बोशा अगर ए बी बोशा बोजी मुस्तकिम में दया खात में आया सही है? So this is for multiplication and this is for the plus operator, या we can say or operator, and this is for AND operator. Got it? So you can draw like this, you can draw like this, and you can draw like this. So here we have two final states and here we have one final state, but we have null string transition, and here we have one final state and there is no null string transition. Okay? Got it? So these are different representation of regular expression to NFA. Next one. Okay, so here in this example what we have A or B and AB. सही क्यों चाहिए? A और B और ऑपरेशन वो एंड ऑपरेशन याच्या शुद्ध बाजरिये एंड ऑपरेशन सही क्यों ये चीज है? So here we have the okay, so here what we have, so this is OR operation between A and B and this is AND operation between A and B, and collectively between this and this, so what we have AND operation. So how will we represent this regular expression? By using the NFA. So here first of all we should draw the OR operation for this and then AND operation for this, and then we will combine both of them with each other by using AND operation. So look at this. This is the so here there is a mistake in the state names. So here we should put state 1, this is state 2. Okay, so here state 0 is the start state. So here I will use for A and B, I will use separate paths. Look at this. This is path for A, this is path for B, and here we also have null string transition. Okay, so from here up to here, this will be for A or B. So on this, what will be accept? या A accept हमेशा या B accept हमेशा. सही is that? So this is for OR operation. For AND operation, what should we use? A and B. So we should use one path. ما فقط یک path استفاده میکنیم. چرا به خاطر که اینجا ضرب هسته. So this is A, B combined together. So it will give you. از اینجا یا A می آیا یک A کتی یک جای میشه و باز B یک جای میشه. و اول چی اکسپت میشه؟ A B اکسپت میشه. دوم دفعه چی هسته؟ B هسته. اور BAB دو دفعه چی هستی؟ B یا از اینجا B می آیا B یک جای میشه کتی A و B. نو باز چی جواب میده با شما؟ B A B. So this will be the result of, this will be accepted on this final state. Okay, look at this. First, for this path, A will combine with epsilon, it will give you A multiplied by epsilon is equal to A. Okay, and then the same A will combine with A and then B. B में आया जवाब. सही है. दो बहुत ही रास्त है. For this path, B will combine with epsilon, it will give you B. So B will accept right here. Then B will combine with B and B. So it will give, sorry, B will accept the second string. Okay, so this was the state diagram of the finite automation NFA of this regular. You can also draw like this. Look at this. So if you want to remove the null string, so then you can also draw like this. Look at this. It will give you, sorry, for example, this is S0, this is initial state, and this will accept A, sorry, this will accept A, and this will accept B. Okay, and this is for example state 1, and on state 2, this one we will have A from this string. Okay, and the second one is B. So both are AND operator, so we will put right here. For example, this is final state and this is state 3. Okay, state 3 is the final state. Okay, and it will accept B. Look at this. For this path, A will accept on 1 and then combine with another A and then with B. So it will give you A, B. For the second path, start from S0 toward S1, will combine with A and then will B. So it will give you the second string B, A, B, B, A, B. So these are the string accepted on final state. B, A, B. या AAB हमेशा या BAB हमेशा. सही से अगर शुमारी हम साइड की A अवल कहते AB एक जो हमेशा वो बॉस B कहती AB एक जो हमेशा. So this is the NFA for this regular expression. Okay, next one. Next what we have the A, B static C. How will we draw the transition for static? अगर clean star closure bosh, अगर clean star bosha, باز چی قسم رگولر سوری NFA ما جور میگیریم سعی کنیم این مکمل در ضرب است. این خب وقتی که در ضرب باشه مستقیم یک را استفاده میشه. So here if we have AND operation, so we are using the single path. Okay, so here A B steric C is the, what does it means? It means that here from state 0 on this transition toward S1 A will accept, and here for B we will use the loop. ये loop asta मकसद ये चीज़ थी कि अवल B null string में बाशा बाज़ एक दफ़ा B नविश्ते में शा बाज़ दो दफ़ा B से दफ़ा B चार दफ़ा B पांच अमिक्सम A ची में शा A तकरार में शा अवी ख़ुसूसियत ये चीज़ था ख़ुसूसियत clean start asta शुमा इरा में फॉर्मेन सही से नहीं ये चीज़ है इनपुट चिक्स में है अवल A B null string में है बाज़ C अवल दफ़ा ची accept में शा A null string B, so it will give you AB. So first time the result of this will be AB, and second time the result will be A single B, then another B. So it will give you A, this is B of steric and this is B of the input string. Then again A, then this B will repeat two times. Look at this, A, B two times, and then this B will be combined with this, and again what will happen? So here A, then B, three times B, then again B. So it means that A, three times B, this is from loop, and third this B. So this will combine and it will move up to so on. So this is the accepted strings on the accepted string of the language on final state. अगर याद बाशा आमी language असते सही आमी language इंजा accept में सही. So this is the representation of this language. Okay, and this is his regular expression. Okay, it's regular expression. Okay, next one agar some बाशा. What will be the NFA for this one? So here we have triple A, double B, and then B steric. All of these are AND operator. So we will use same path. Look at this, A from state 0 toward state 1, from state 1 toward state 2, second A, then for third A, and then for first B, then for second B, and for third B we have steric, so we will use a loop. So how the string will accept it right here? So first triple A will accept, why triple A will accept? Look at this, three A's are combining together, then two B's, and for the first time for this there will be a null string, and we are not writing a null string with this. For the second time again three A's, then double B, okay, three A's and then double B, three A's, then double B, and for the next time for this we will use single B, and for third string triple A, then double B, and for this then again it will 2 times B, then it will 3 times B, 4 times B, 5 times B, and so on. So this will be your language accepted on this final state. Okay, next one, what we have? We have next example. For example, here we have the A or B whole steric. So now we have steric on two letters. So how will we represent this? By using NFA. Look at this. For the first time, what will be the language for this? Is equal to, the language of this will be just like this. Look at this. First time it will give you null string. You know about this. Second time it will give you A or B. Says that? Yeah, we can say okay, A or B बचने में तो बहुत double A or double B. हम एक सम बहुत तकरार में शायद triple A, triple B and up to so on. وينجا تشنيش تمشى single A B, single B A, बहुत double A B, double B A. says that? Up to so on. Okay. So here, how we will represent this by using NFA? Second, aval A string as, sorry, A letter as, E except, boss B mob is. We just want a null string. Aval kudom except mesha null string. Inja aval chi except mesha null string except mesha. बाद ऐसी चीज़ एक्सेप्ट में इस तरह को बहुत मार लूप र दोबारा आसार शुरू कर दे चीज़ ये लूप आस्ता है लूप और दोबारा आसार शुरू कर दे सही है बहुत ही ए में गिरा सही है बहुत ही दोबारा बॉस में आया बॉस बी में गिरा बहुत ही दोबारा में आया बहुत ही डबल ए में गिरा बहुत ही डबल बी में गिरा बॉस ट्रिपल ए ट्रिपल बी में गिरा ट्रिपल 4 टाइम ए 4 टाइम बी में गिरा सही है so this is the NFA for this. Simply, if you want to remove the epsilon and this transition, this back transition, so what should we use? We should use just like this. It's not null string. या जब अवल ये चीज़ अवल इकोदम जवाब में था null string बशुमा जवाब में था. चलो null string जवाब में था. बड़ी खातर की A और B whole steric as a whole steric अवल steric null जवाब में तो सही इंजन null में है तो epsilon और null या epsilon और epsilon ची में आया null और null ची में आया null में आया तो अवली null except में गिरा बाद अजीं जब में आया या A में गिरा या B में गिरा ये जो बहुत कॉमन निश्चित करे या A या B बाद अजीं double A double B triple A triple B triple 4 time A 4 time B ये loop आस ये अमिक समय चला सही है एक summation हो सही से बस दुरुस्त this is the short form of this NFA. Next one. Okay, this is regular expression. So B and 2 B plus C plus A. So what is the regular expression? Sorry, what is the NFA for this? Let me draw the NFA for this one. This is B plus C plus A. E B क्या है कहती the ज़रब है बहुत sorry the end operator या the ज़रब है वो दाखिली चीज़ है और operator है बाइन C व A अवल ई क्या है कहती मुस्तकीम दयाक रास में शा वो बहुत बड़े मौजी बड़े B व C व A में जुदा जोड़ में क्या सही है for example this is state 0 this is initial state okay state 0 this is initial state so it will accept B toward state 1 for inja mother chapter state na girafta ma rasm megine bas shuma da kitabcha rasm کنید این رسه است خب بعد از این چی است B C و A است برای باید جدا جدا پات نوشته شود سعی که اینجا جدا پات so this will be final state 2 S2 is the final state so for B again next we will have separate state next we have C for C we will have separate state and for A we will have separate state sorry, separate transition. Okay, so this is the final state. So how it works, look at this. B is an AND operation. First of all, B will combine with B, so it will give you BB, or B will combine with C, so it will give you BC, or B will combine with A. B is an AND operation with all of these strings, sorry, B, A, so this will be the resultant language. So we accept the final state. Okay, و شما نل استرینگ استفاده کردن میتونی باز اینجا یک دیگه استیت باز رسم کنین. صحیح است، اینجا یک دیگه استیت می باشه، اینجا دیگه استیت می باشه و یک استیت باز بعد از این نل استرینگ و یک سمم درست است. صحیح. This is the short form of the NFA. Okay, if you had any question then you can ask. Okay, so this is the NFA for this. Draw this NFA in your notebook. Okay, for this null string. It's not included in chapter. Okay, next what we have next next regular expression is CC plus D into C. اول ایدو کی است؟ ایدو CC خب اول مکمل امی یک پورشن است و سی است. ایدو د چی است؟ د اند اپریتر است و بعد داخلی CC د اند اپریتر است و دی باز د آر اپریتر است. د آر اپریشن است که CC. برای چی قسم diagram رسم میشه. For example, this is S naught, this is initial state, this is initial state, okay, and here we will have another state, state 1, so we will have C, position for C, C will combine with C, this is for example state 1, sorry, this will be state 2, okay, so C, sorry, this is state 2, and then it will combine with this one. This is for D, and it will also combine with C in this C. Okay, this is an AND operator, and at the last we will have the state 3, which is the final state. CC ECC kati D the chi asta the OR operator asta. صحیح است؟ نو CC د آر اپریتر برای یک جدا پات جور میشه، برای یک جدا پات جور میشه. صحیح است؟ این در کدام استیت میاد؟ در دوم استیت. و با C کدی ارز دویش یک جای میشه. این چی قسم جواب میدن؟ صحیح گو CC اول کدی C و باز D کدی C. صحیح گو C with C, so it will give you triple C. C یک جای شده. صحیح است اینجا؟ اور اینجا آر است، آر دی و سی آل یک جای میشه. دی کتی مستقیم سی یک جای میشه. جواب چی میاد؟ دی سی میاد. دی سی. Okay, so this is the transition, sorry, NFA for this regular expression. ایرم در کتاب چرا حساب کنید. سیسته در چپتر نیسته. Next one. These are assignments for you. You should draw NFA for the following regular expressions. Okay, if you had any question, so then you can ask, you can send me message in WhatsApp, so I will give you the answer. Okay, next one, what we have, transition diagram and transition table. What is transition diagram? Transition diagram आम्ही NFA असतं. برای امی NFA ما ترانزیشن تیبل چی قسم جور میکنیم باید ما یک تیبل هم جور کنیم که A از کدام استیت با کدام استیت میره صحیح است so right here we have a regular expression B plus D A plus B صحیح است A plus B و B صحیح چی قسم است این regular expression ای D B کی است کهتے د چی است د OR operation است کهتے D and to A plus B بعد از این D کہتے A plus B در ضرب است باز A و B در یک جای در پلس آپریتر است یا R آپریتر است صحیح اینجا اول D ما رسم کردیم صحیح D گرفتیم برای D اول برای B یک جدا پاد گرفتیم چرا به خاطر که B کهتے مکمل در R آپریتر است برای یک جدا پاد گرفتیم صحیح it will accept on S7 final state و بعد از اینجا برای D ما گرفتیم D کدی در ضرب است مستقیم ما و بعد از این A و B چی است A و B در R آپریتر است برای A جدا لاین ما گرفتیم جدا پاد گرفتیم برای B ما جدا پاد گرفتیم صحیح و اینجا ما اپسیلون گرفتیم نل استرینگ گرفتیم شما اکسترنال کدام میتونید صحیح است که دایرکتلی شما از اینجا A بگیرید صحیح است نل استرینگ ریموو کنید صحیح است و از اینجا directly B بگیرید صحیح است no problem B و باز کہتے یعنی نل استرینگ یک جا میشه یا A جواب میده یا B جواب میده صحیح است next transition diagram یا transition table برای یا کو diagram بود اولی transition table برای چی قسم جور میشه اینجا state نوشته میشه S0 S1 S2 S3 S4 S5 6 7 چند استیت هست اینجا 7 استیت هست ما 7 استیت نوشته کردیم اینجا انپوت کدام است A B D است صحیح اینجا انپوت A است B است و D است صحیح است سه انپوت است ما اینجا انپوتس نوشته کردیم از S0 A با کدام استیت میره نه از S0 یا از initial state کدام انپوت A است نه چرا به خاطر که یک D رفته یک B رفته هیچ انپوت نیست هیچ ترانزیشن نیست نو ما اینجا نوشته میکنیم که از S0 ترانزیشن A چی است نل است هیچ ترانزیشن نداره از S0 ترانزیشن B است یس B ترانزیشن است با کدام استیت رفته با S7 رفته اینجا ما نوشته میکنیم که از S0 B رفته ترانزیشن B با چی رفته؟ با S7 رفته صحیح است؟ next D است D از S0 کدام ترانزیشن داره؟ yes از S0 D ترانزیشن داره صحیح اینجا از S0 D با کدام استیت ترانزیشن داره؟ با S1 اینجا ما چی نوشته کردیم؟ S1 نوشته کردیم امی قسم S1 در S1 ترانزیشن A است نو ما نل نوشته کردیم ترانزیشن B است نو ما نل نوشته کردیم ترانزیشن D است اینجا اپسیلون ترانزیشن است هیچ A و B نیست نو ما اینجا نل نوشته کردیم حال S2 است از S2 ترانزیشن A است یس است با کدام استیت رفته با S4 رفته اینجا ما نوشته کردیم از S2 ترانزیشن A است با کدام استیت رفته با S4 رفته ترانزیشن B است the two no so null ترانزیشن D است نو نل گرفتیم صحیح است برای S2 برای S3 صحیح اینجا S3 امی است ترانزیشن A است اینجا نو نل است ترانزیشن A نیست هیچ ترانزیشن نیست از A برای B است یس از S3 B رفته با S5 صحیح اینجا از S3 B کی است رفته با S5 و D کی است هیچ ترانزیشن نداره ما اینجا نل گرفت امی قسم S4 است نه ترانزیشن A داره نه B داره نه D داره برای کلش ما نل گرفتیم امی قسم S5 است نه ترانزیشن A داره نه ترانزیشن B داره نه ترانزیشن D داره ما برای S5 هم نل گرفتیم صحیح S6 است S6 ترانزیشن A B C sorry A B D داره نداره ما نل گرفتیم امی قسم S7 است هیچ ترانزیشن نه A داره نه B نه C نه D ما نل گرفتیم صحیح است so this is the transition diagram صحیح است so this was your lecture for week number 7, and if you had any question, so then you can ask questions about these topics. Okay, so this was your week number 7. Okay, thanks a lot and have a nice day.